So what is your name?
My name is Lance Rush.
Lance, where are you from?
I'm from Kirksville, Missouri.
Wow, so that's 2.5 hours from here?
At least.
At least. So what brought you into Woody's today?
I was looking for a Jeep Wrangler and I happened to find one and looked for it and here I am.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So what made you bypass all of the other dealerships on your way here to come to Woody's?
I think it was the emails that I kept on getting from the sales advisor. He sent me a video of it, which was really awesome. Never had that happen before in my life. So just that outstanding customer service.
Awesome. So David was your sales advisor.
David was, yes.
And tell me what you thought about him.
David was awesome. He was very straightforward and everything was very simple and easy.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
He's a really great guy.
Yes.
So you had a trade. How did we do on that for you?
Did well. I would have liked a little bit more money, but we did well. Yes.
I understand. So how would you describe our sales process?
Swift. It seemed like there was no hiccups. In the past, I've dealt with people where I have to, haggle price, and then you also have to go through talking to 4 or 5 other people. It was mainly David the whole time.
Absolutely.
And then I happened to got to meet the owner and sat down, and he was actually the one that went over the pricing and why, and it was actually very simple and easy, and it was straightforward. So
great. I'm glad that you got to meet Brent and experience that. So just one last question for you. Were you wowed enough today to recommend Woody's to your friends and family?
Yes, definitely.
Awesome.